Are you looking to build a future-proof business in India's booming clean energy and electric vehicle ecosystem? If yes, then the solid-state battery industry could be your golden opportunity. India is booming in clean tech, and the solid-state battery market is expected to skyrocket, making it a goldmine for innovators and investors. With higher energy density, faster charging, better safety, and longer battery life than lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries are becoming the power source of choice for EVs, drones, defense, and even consumer electronics. And guess what? India is ready for this transformation, backed by government policies, EV demand, and rising investor confidence. In this video, we'll walk you through how to start a solid-state battery business in India, step by step. Here's what we'll cover: target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning and profit margins, funding options, legal and company registration, supporting documents, and how Market Research Universe can support your journey. Let's get started. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. This business is ideal for EV manufacturers looking to integrate advanced battery technologies, deep tech entrepreneurs and battery R&D startups, investors and VCs exploring high-growth clean tech ventures, battery pack assemblers and OEM suppliers, corporate innovation teams in the energy, telecom, and automotive sectors, government and defense contractors looking for reliable energy storage. If you fall in any of these categories, you've got the perfect foundation. The global solid-state battery market is booming. It's projected to hit $15.43 billion in 2024 and grow at a staggering CAGR of 57% till 2030. In India, this growth is fueled by the EV wave, clean energy targets, and schemes like FAME2 and the PLI for advanced chemistry cells. Companies like Tata Chemicals, Amara Raja, and Ola Electric are already exploring this space. The time to act is now. Your brand must focus on the 4 Ps: performance, precision, power, and planet. Sell directly to OEMs, EV makers, and energy storage firms. License your tech to battery assemblers or research partners. Participate in expos like Auto Expo India and EV India Expo. Use digital PR, LinkedIn marketing, and webinars to build authority partnerships. Patents and positioning will be key to scaling. Let's talk money. Initial cost estimation, R&D lab setup plus pilot line, RS3 5 crore equipment and machinery, semi-auto, RS8 12 crore licenses, compliances and legal, RS15 25 lakh skilled workforce and consultants, RS1 2 crore marketing, distribution and launch, RS50 75 lakh operational costs, include materials, electricity and skilled labor. Expected profit margin, between 18% to 30% once you scale production. Funding options in India include Startup India schemes, PLI for advanced chemistry cells, venture capital and PE firms, EV tech accelerators, and pitch competitions, joint ventures with global battery giants. A strong pitch deck and feasibility plan are must-haves. To go official, register as a private limited company via MCA, get DPIIT recognition under Startup India, secure pollution, fire, and factory licenses. File for IPR protection if your battery tech is unique. Apply for import-export clearance if needed. Here's what you'll need: detailed business plan and pitch deck company papers, PAN, GST, MOA, AOA testing certifications, BIS, UL, IEC, OEM contracts, NDA agreements, and staffing docs. Setting up a solid-state battery business is complex, but Market Research Universe (MRU) is here to guide you all the way. We offer real-time market research reports, market feasibility report, business plans, investor-ready pitch decks, custom go-to-market strategies, forecast models and pricing intelligence, competitive benchmarking, business registration and compliance assistance with MRU. You won't just start strong, you'll scale fast and smart.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.